Nous voici au siège de l'APF à Bruxelles. On vient d'entamer un processus de formation et de réflexion sur la gestion des connaissances avec toute l'équipe de l'APF. En fait, ça fait quelques jours qu'on est ensemble avec 17 personnes. Et justement, on va continuer ce programme pendant le mois de octobre, novembre et décembre cette année.
So we've been discovering and exploring together the key concepts around knowledge management. We've got a collective vocabulary going, and we have been working on some really practical applications of the understanding of knowledge management. And already on our second day here, the team have decided to implement some of the key tools that we've been experimenting with today. So we're really delighted that the application of this thinking and learning is already taking place at a strategic level here. And it's been great to kick off this course with the team of 17 here in Brussels.
APEFE is the Association for the Promotion and Education of Training overseas. It is a non-profit working for skills development and institutional capacity building, mainly in West and Central Africa and North Africa and other parts of the world. APEFE called us in because they're currently going through a strategic planning process, and the managing director, amongst others, was keenly aware that the promotion and a culture of knowledge management can really support a strategic planning process, and he wanted really to work with the whole team of APEFE at the headquarters in Brussels, and bring the whole team together to learn about knowledge management and understand how the concept and the practical applications of knowledge management can support their everyday work and the work they do with their current staff and partners and implementing partners overseas.
With the whole staff team of APEFE, we started by exploring key KM concepts, and together we agreed collective vocabulary that is relevant for their context and for their organisation. As in French, some of the common English terminology isn't yet widely used, so in Belgium it was particularly interesting.
Maintenant, on est, disons, au début de faire une petite analyse, une petite évaluation de votre baseline, de votre ligne de base, là où on est à l'APF en ce moment.
We explored how we could use popular KM tools with the team and put key tools into direct use and application. Already the whole group have decided when and where they will use their first after-action review in a strategic meeting. As we developed and explored with the team, we looked at making real some of the concepts of knowledge management, exploring how an organisation really grapples with making the tacit explicit. How far and how effective are the horizontal and vertical knowledge flows? And how well does the organisation really learn from lessons, both successes and seeming failures? Here, the whole staff team make requests and offers as a live illustration of demand and supply in any organisation. Here, we surface the daily life of an organisation in programmatic work, internal systems and events, and also external activities, and demonstrate really that knowledge sharing is already happening in the day-to-day work of our organisations. Our job is to choose how to best enhance it, to really get the right knowledge to the right people at the right time. So essentially, we began to see with the whole team that knowledge sharing is really about making life easier, and that is the case that we are trying to build as APEFE develop their strategic direction.
I just filmed that one.